What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I had already had intro film to this already, but I don't know how I lost it. It just disappeared or something. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do your winged mirror caps and your LED sequential turn lights. Real simple job. Took me 30 to 45 minutes for both sides of them. And I mean, I think this is one of them you must do modifications with this car. And the grills, just like minor accessories like that really make the car come to life. So I mean, yeah, that's what we're about to get into, I guess. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your little pick tool if you buy a pair of these, it's gonna come with this little pry tool. If you don't already have like a pry tool, you can go get one. You don't really need one. You can take one, or you can take and figure it out with something else. However, it does make it a little bit easier. These tend to snap or break really easy, but all you do, you take your snap tool, you just take it back and gently just try to pop it out of all of its sockets all the way around. Once you get it all the way out, it's gonna be connected to some wires. This is where you can go ahead and debate whether or not you're gonna fully take this off. I don't think I am. I'm just gonna have it lay down because I'm lazy. I'm gonna be honest, due to the fact that I'm by myself, I cannot come up with a good angle. So like, this is sitting on the top of my roof. It would have been on the ground. I don't think that would have been much better. So, oh shit. Anyways, you see it pops off. You got 3 connections. I don't really know much about all that shit. I just know there's wires. Okay. So then it's gonna have I think this is like a T10. There's like little tiny screws. I believe there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of them. You're gonna take these off. It's gonna snap off your back mirror cap. As soon as you take that off, everything else is literally snap back on. Pretty easy. So gonna be, like I said, there's 5. Kind of see their little holes right there, and there, and one down there. You're gonna have 2 black bolts that are a little bit bigger than the other ones, and then you're gonna have 3 silver ones. Anyways, you take those 5 screws out, your 2 black ones, 3 silver ones, the 3 smaller ones, or your 3 silver ones. Well, you can do something with them. After that, you'll take this little pick again, and then you'll just kind of back off this. So you just try to fight under it, figure out where you're releasing it from. Out of its placement clips. That's what I'm kind of struggling with right now. I got one side out, but I need the second side out. It's just not going too well. You want to be careful because they are plastic. Keep that in mind, so you can snap them. I don't know if you want to add them back on in the future, you know, if you're going back to OEM or something, but if you were, you don't exactly want to break them, you know. If you break it, you don't got a mirror, or a mirror cap, I should say. All right, well, I got that out in one piece. Surprisingly, it sounds like it came off way worse than it actually did, but there you go. That's the back side of it. Once you get to the back side, so for me, if I was just to be adding the mirror caps, I just pop it on right here and then I would go about doing everything else. But I am not. So we're gonna come in here and grab these LED turn signals. Okay, so two things. One, my phone's about to die, so I have to go and charge it. But two, it's extremely hot outside today, so it's kind of hard to film and keep my phone up there. It's actually saying that my phone's overheated. So I'm gonna kind of give you a gist of the rundown of how to do the mirror, and then the right side is just gonna be a full time lapse, so I'm able to actually get footage. Because if not, well, I don't have a YouTube channel, you know. But basically, like I said, you'll have 5 screws here. There's 2 black ones, 3 silver ones.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
And then you'll come to the back after you take that the pick tool. You'll pop this off. Like you saw, it was a little rough, so you know you gotta mess with it a little. Then there's gonna be a small silver screw right here on the back side. You'll take that off. It'll let you pop off this whole bottom piece, just like that. And as simple it is, you'll just take and unclip this from the bottom piece, and then there's some wires back here that you'll unclip. And then you'll take and plug and play your old ones. You'll just take the wires or your new ones, you'll plug and play the wires to what it needs to go to in here. Well, there's the that's how it came out. It's with the smoked LED turn signal and the mirror cap. I think it looks better. I don't know. I'm still not a huge fan of the mirror caps. Like I said, I wasn't planning on doing them myself, but they're kind of cheap and they do add a touch to the car, so it's kind of like a why not modification. So yeah, I'm about to do the right side. Like I said, I'm gonna have a little time lapse of that. Just finished up. Oh, dude. Okay, now seeing it with both on, I'm not gonna lie, that is hard. Yo. Okay. I'm about to turn on the sequentials. Y'all can see what they look like. That's actually really nice, bro. I like that. Them sequentials are nice too. I like that a lot.